a very special day today. Usonia is floating. Good morning from aboard Usonia. We are in the water today, which is very exciting. And not only are we in the water, but as you may have noticed, we did a ton of engine work over the spring, most of which I did myself. It was very questionable how that was going to come out, but it turns out that we have 2 functioning engines. Yay! Look at them, they're both running. They're doing the thing they're supposed to do. Hooray! So the coolest thing is that this riser that we replaced is not spewing water, not leaking at all, remaining nice and pretty and silver. So as a start to the season, we're adding some antifreeze. Dad's getting us going here. Fortunately, we have plenty of board to work with. Today we will be starting our journey here in beautiful Huntington Harbor and taking the boat over to Northport Yacht Club where it lives for the summer. Here's a good example of what you don't want your boat to look like. And that's where we're headed. All right, ready?
Right, where's the board?
Can you come forward a little bit? It's actually wrapped on the anchor, which is less than great.
Nice shot.
Yeah, right. Alright, head that way, we're free.
Okay.
But it's like right under the bow there. Alright, here we are. Dad's in the captain's position and we are headed off to stop number 1, the gas dock, where I'm going to go spend my life savings. Who's ready? Here we are on our way out of Huntington Harbor, currently passing Huntington Yacht Club, set up for the fuel dock. Who's excited for the season? Dad is! We got cousin Mitch down there helping us out. We are fueling up. As of right now, today's price is $5.95, so better than I thought it was going to be. I've been warned that since we haven't fueled up in a while, that there is a possibility that there could be an air bubble that will just explode the fuel all over me, so let's hope that doesn't happen. Alright, so here we are leaving beautiful Huntington Harbor. Left over here. That looks like sand right there, so I don't really want anything to do with it. After a beautiful sunny trip over from winter storage in Huntington, it was time to put the boat on the dock and give her a thorough washdown, which she very much needed after a long winter.